Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our listeners. It's so good to be back today.
It's great to have you back, David. How are you doing?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. Very happy and very relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That's a great word. You look very relaxed.
Thank you. I had a very, very good week. How about you? How was your week?
My week was good, busy, lots of work, but I'm happy it's time for the podcast.
Me too. I love talking with you and everyone here. And today we have a very fun topic.
Yes, we do. It's a topic everyone loves.
Ooh, I'm ready. What is it?
Today, we're going to talk about vacations.
Vacations! Yes, that's a fun topic.
Yes, we'll practice how to talk about a vacation in English, how to ask and answer questions.
That's so useful. Talking about happy things, like a trip, is a great way to practice English.
Exactly. But before we start, we have a small request for everyone.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast. When you subscribe, you won't miss any new episodes.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Thank you so much. Your support means a lot. Okay, Emily, I'm ready. Let's talk about vacations.
So, David, you said you're very relaxed today.
Yes, I am.
And you weren't here last week.
That's true.
Where were you, David?
I was on vacation.
Aha, I knew it. That's wonderful.
Yes, it was so nice to have a break from work.
I'm so happy for you. So tell us, where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Oh, I love the beach. That sounds perfect.
It was. I love the sound of the water and the ocean waves.
Me too. Which beach did you go to?
I went to a place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach? That's such a happy name.
It is, and it was very sunny.
Oh, good. So tell us, how was it?
It was fantastic. I didn't want to come back.
That's the sign of a great vacation.
Yes, I feel so new and rested.
Rested. That's a good feeling. So, what did you do? Did you do many things?
No, not really. And that was the best part. I didn't do much.
Ah, a relaxing vacation.
Exactly. I had no plan. I just relaxed.
That sounds perfect. What did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up around 9 o'clock, not too early. Then I had breakfast, coffee, and fruit.
Nice. And after breakfast?
After breakfast, I went to the beach and walked on the sand.
A walk on the beach. Was it quiet?
Yes, very quiet. Just the sound of the ocean.
And how was the weather?
Perfect. Sunny and warm every day. Not one cloudy day.
Wow, you're lucky.
I know. After my walk, I went swimming.
Swimming in the ocean.
Yes, the water was so blue and beautiful. A little cold at first, but perfect after a minute.
That's the best. I love swimming in the ocean.
Me too. I floated in the water and looked at the blue sky. So peaceful.
David, you're making me want a vacation.
Sorry. It was just so good.
So you walked, you swam. What else? Did you read?
Yes, I brought a book and read on the beach.
That's my favorite thing to do.
Mine too. It was so calm.
How long were you there?
1 week, 7 days.
That's a great amount of time. And who did you go with?
With my wife and our 2 children.
A family vacation. That's special.
Yes, the kids loved it. They played in the sand, built sand castles, and collected shells.
Oh, that's adorable.
We have a bag full of shells at home now. A perfect memory.
That's lovely. And what about the afternoons?
We took naps. The beach made us sleepy. Good sleepy.
Oh, yes, the best kind of sleepy.
Then, in the evening, we ate dinner at small beach restaurants, fresh fish, rice, and salad.
Delicious.
And of course, dessert, ice cream.
Of course. You must have ice cream at the beach. What flavor?
Chocolate for me, vanilla for my wife, and the kids tried every flavor. Strawberry, mango, cookies.
That sounds like a happy family vacation.
It really was. Simple and happy. So, that was my vacation. What about you, Emily? Any plans?
Yes, I'm going on vacation next month
Oh, wonderful. Where to?
to the mountains.
The mountains. Very different from the beach.
Yes, no sand, no ocean, but lots of trees and fresh air.
Beautiful. What will you do there?
I'll relax, but I'll also go hiking, walking in the forest.
Nice. Great exercise and great air.
Yes, and maybe I'll see birds or small animals.
Who are you going with?
2 of my good friends.
A trip with friends, always fun.
Yes, we rented a small cabin, a wooden house with a fireplace.
That sounds cozy.
I hope so. It's colder in the mountains, so I'll bring a warm jacket and socks.
Good idea. And will you eat out?
No, we'll cook. The cabin has a kitchen.
Nice. What will you make?
Probably pasta, easy and delicious, and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in the mountains? Perfect.
Yes, we'll hike in the day and sit by the fire at night, drinking hot chocolate and playing cards.
That sounds wonderful, Emily. I hope you have the best time.
Thank you, David. I can't wait. Let's review some easy words and questions from today.
Good idea. The main word is vacation. Some people also say trip.
Right. I'm on vacation or I'm on a trip.
To ask, you can say, where did you go?
And the answer is I went to. For example, I went to the beach.
You can also ask, how was it?
And answer is it was great, it was relaxing, or it was fantastic.
And another good question, what did you do?
Yes, you can say I went swimming, I read a book, I walked, or I relaxed.
Simple and useful words for everyday English.
Well, our time is almost finished for today.
Time flies when we talk about vacations.
It does. Thank you so much for sharing your trip, David.
And thank you for sharing your plans, Emily.
And thank you, everyone, for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, subscribe to Mr. English Podcast, and share it with one friend.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, where did you go on your last vacation? Or where do you want to go? What is your dream vacation?
We can't wait to read your answers in English. Great practice for you.
That's right.
Thanks again, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, David. Have a great week.
You too, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.